What's going on? I appreciate the fill. We're gonna break this 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. I know evening time works a little bit better for people, so we're gonna take this live. It's the same dice roll for both. No snake eyes. 9:49 a.m. Central Time. There's the owner. Same list I just posted. That makes me sad. Congrats, Chris Norris. A brutal Cub series. Walked off twice. 8 times for both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Money shot. Cisco, never on top. Terry, usually not on bottom. There we have it. 27. We went 8. We're going 8 over here. Begin the giveaway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Money shot. Milwaukee for Cisco. Terry gets Cleveland. Neither of those are exciting, if I remember correctly. There's the list. You can pause it now, otherwise I'll post it up. We'll make this official, make it done. I will get everything posted. 9:51.